Namhlanje nje kuthiwa ngizokukhumbuza ukuthi in case impilo ikuphunyuka ukhona okwaziyo ukuyigcina. I know of someone who is a preserver of life, who is the keeper of life. Amahubo 121 kuthiwa ngizokukhumbuza nje ukuthi khona okwazi ukugcina impilo. And I must usher you to him, and that is God. God is the preserver of life. Amahubo 121 verse number 3 uyasitshela ukuthi ngeke avume unyawo lakho lishelele, ukuthi he who keeps you will not sleep nor slumber. Athi olondoloza uIsrayeli akozeli akalali. Athi obhala kahle, the Lord is your keeper. Athi the Lord is the shade at your right hand. Athi the sun will not strike you by day, nor the moon by night, simply because the Lord is the one who preserves you. Preserves you from what? Athi preserves you from all the evil all day long. Uhleli nje yena, umsebenzi wakho ugcina impilo. And so today must serve as a reminder ukuthi in case uzama ukuyiphathela wena impilo, kukhona ongakuphathela kangcono. Give to the preserver. You might try to have the heck of everything by your hand, uyibambele wena, but there is one I know who is a preserver of life. Athi uDavid ngiphakamisela amehlo eyintabeni, athi usizo lami livela phina, luvela from the keeper. Ongeke avuma unyawo lakho lishelele. The extent to which he goes to keep you is by even preserving your elsewhere. Ulele ebusuku, he is busy preserving you, fighting your enemies, defending your name, defending your cause. Athi the Lord preserves you from all forms of evil. Athi the Lord will preserve you in your going out. He will preserve you in your coming in. What kind of a preserver is this? We have a habit of trying to have everything figured out in our own hands, in our own dealings. Give to God. Let's try the keeper of our soul. Let's try lower ngonyo David. What the Lord is the preserver. The Lord is the keeper. In case uzama ukuyibambela impilo on your own, I want to introduce you to one who is the keeper of life. As long as you usher it to him and say, God, here it is. Mina, I can't have everything figured out, but you do, you can. So ke namhlanje nje let you be reminded ukuthi khona ukwazi ukugada umphefumulo, agade ingqondo, agade impilo, agade yonke into, aze agowe to the extent of not sleeping. Angalala, umsebenzi wakho ukugada nje 24/7. You and I are limited. There's only so far we can go. Siyazela siyalala, mina ngiyamazi okwazi ukugada impilo. Akekho umuntu ozogada into angayitreasurishi. You cannot guard something you don't treasure. And so this God, he goes far beyond just loving us. He treasures us. He doesn't fall asleep. He's just watching his children. Out of 8 billion people, he's the God of your soul. We are big. You're still breathing. You're still okay. You're still intact. Ngigadile. Ngimile lana. Ngimile by the door. Ngilinde wena. Ngigade wena. And so I know the God